Alrighty, so today we're going to be chucking a snorkel on the old Pathfinder. Alrighty, so what we're going to need is obviously a snorkel kit. All the fittings and stuff come with it. It's just a cane toed eBay one, but it should do the trick. Some pop rivets, or pop rivet gun. Comes with the pop rivets. Got some more fasteners for putting the liners back in because they tend to break every time you pull them out. Rubber hoses, some hole saws. Don't have the exact size, but we'll be able to make it work with that. And socket set. Alrighty, first up we're going to take off the airbox. It's just a 8mm socket for the air pipe.
Hey, I refuse to let a bad night ruin me, just doesn't get through to me. Even back then, getting stopped by the truancy. Posted with the bros and turned the bond into a mutiny. You fuck with one of them and then we handle it brutally, Y'all not sick, you pussies got immunity and lack the continuity. I leave them in the dust and stack bread cause I'm moving things. Speed reached a new high when I started removing things. I had to drop the baggage out the plane before I flew a wing. Or let the engine fail, cold day in hell, I let a pest prevail. Let's put them to the test and let the pressure scale. Yeah, that'll do it, that'll separate the weak from the real, getting to it. I did it for the love, but got no love for what I did. So that's why I'm moving different and shit. Play the part, but sometimes it's like I'm missing a script. I write my own, cause nobody gonna tell it like it is. Yeah, nobody gonna tell it like it is. Cause nobody gonna tell it like it is. So I be showing them the way. Living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. Ay, so I be showing them the way. Living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. What you say, I'm steaming out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the ring, add some numbers to the stock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never ate. What you say, I'm steaming out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the chain, add some numbers to the flock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never stop. Never stop. So I be showing them the way. Living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. Ay, so I be showing them the way. Living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play.
Alright, the instructions are saying the next step is to tape up the guard, so we'll go ahead and do that.
Numbers to the stock, let it pop. Go and show them what you got. Never stop, never.
Hey, what you say? I'm steaming
out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me. I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the chain, add some numbers to the flock. Let it pop. Go and show them what you got. Never stop, never.
I don't know if I'm meant to be taping up this far, but can't have that.
Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really, they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous. What you get, you see, I'll always be me. What you get, you see, I need no ID. I need nothing, no, something roll. I like Kim Rose, I need money rolls. Perfect go, see you when I'm old. In a Tesla.
Alright, I'll turn the camera off for a minute just because the template was a bit fiddly. But I think it's pretty much where it's going to go. I guess it's just time to drill the hole and hope for the best. So here we go.
I can't rest up. I'll just keep on working till I'm the best up. I've been trying to do right, but getting left much. Slipped and fell a few times, still got my chest up. In the gym, I got my chest up. New Tacovas on my toes, now that the check's up. Giddy up. Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, SBN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous. Look in the mirror, just some motivation. I see my past, I see my kids, it gets you motivated. Don't gotta say it, I just know they hate it. Little white boy, tattoos and money, man had that motion, baby. I got that motion like the ocean, baby. 9 to 5, then the 5 to 9, yeah they used to call me crazy. I put that work in, you can't call me lazy. I'm in the light, no pressure, never faze me. Got me shining like a diamond, put one on my lady. Only one girl who could call me baby. Vision clear, I used to see it hazy. Vision clear, I could see it now. Every time they try to take me out, back to back, I'm wildin' now. I hit the top and didn't say a word. I hit the top and didn't say a word, and still they never shout me out. This not for you, I'm trying to make me proud. This not for you, I'm trying to make me proud. In the mirror, say it loud. Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, SBN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous. Hey, hey, yeah, hey. Go through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwing parades. Hey, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Hey, checking the game, was never afraid. Just calling my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Hey, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Against the world, okay, gotta go against the grain. In a mud from a place that wasn't sterile. Get it done like it ain't no thing. Okay, I'm a flamethrower bang. Feel like I got me a championship ring. Pop bottles, bang your gang. Rep your set, take that to the bank. Yeah, I've been keeping it frank. King of New York, cause they talking about I done came up in the ranks. Number 11, I show up and show out. My heart is the size of the tank. Not the size of the body.
I looked last night and I was up for almost fucking a whole day. So I got up at 3.
Yeah.
I stayed up till 11 o'clock last night.
Oh, is that all?
Of course.
It's on, but we have an issue. Come here. See that belt? How there's black and then it's like white?
Mm.
The whites are no good, it means the belt's about to shred.
Oh, cool. So how much is a new one?
$40, 50 bucks.
No, I'll have a look.
Wouldn't be much, and if you're going to do that, you might as well check the other belt on this side as well. Just do them all at once. Because that's the one that runs off your alternator and your water pump. So if that fogs out on Bribey, you get the tail back.
$55 for both belts.
Wait, is that the timing belt?
No.
That one's
No, it's your drive belts.
So that
runs your aircon, your alternator,
everything,
water pump.
Everything that stops you from driving.
Is connected to that belt. Oh, let's give it a listen, eh? Huh? Alrighty, apologies for not filming everything, but camera fell yesterday and died, so got it all done. Snorkel is all installed. Just going through now, checking all the silicon. Had to silicon up a few holes which connected into the, I guess it's some kind of noise reverberation system thing here. But silicon up anything that could leak, and I may even go over these little clips just to be safe. But for now, it's pretty much done.